Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add one-liners to a TikTok video and how you can hide them as well. So if you want to add a one-liner, you're just going to simply select add one-liner here, and you're just going to type in the text you want to add. It's going to show up if their video is in a landscape mode. Sorry, I don't know why that happens. But you can hide it as well by pressing the add one-liner here and then select hide one-liners, or you can select the screen for a few seconds and then either show one-liners and then select the screen again and hide one-liners as well. I choose to hide it because I think it's very, I don't know, I don't quite like it. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!